quantity of parsley, a couple of tablespoons, and put that on the heat. Bring it gently to the boil, take it off, and add 2 or 3 tablespoons
It's
of
funny seeing
mayonnaise,
two of them sit on
and
that.
whisk that vigorously to
I'm
blend
going
it
to
all
sit side
together.
by side.
Then I push it back onto the heat and just bring it up. Now I don't want to boil it because it'll split, but I want to thicken it slightly, about the consistency of double cream. Well, the thing about Sean Hill, he's amiable and humorous, but underneath there's a hidden depth. And I think it's the deceptive simplicity of his food that makes him such a great cook.
Oh, he's holding it.
I was watching him one night, and he had it in his mouth,
Yeah.
took his foot away, and when it dropped from his mouth, he caught it in midair.
Oh, wow.
Now, that would take so much. He's only got 3 claws.
They're huge though. Look, he's got it right around that salada.
So what are you looking for?
Gorgeous.
The thing is, we believe that bathrooms
They
shouldn't
don't
just
drop much
function
in
well,
if you look
they
at it.
should look great. There's never been a better time to bring beautifully designed toilets, basins, tapware, showers and baths